Welcome to another episode of our data structures. Now, in this episode, we're going to go through circular queues. Circular queues is an extension of queue data structure. But in circular queue, the size of the queue is fixed and a single block of memory is used as if the first element is connected to the last element. Also referred to as circular buffer or ring buffer, and follows the FIFO principle. That is the first in, first out principle. Now, a circular queue will reuse the empty block created using the dequeue operation. When working with queues of field maximum size, a circular queue is a greater implementation choice. The circular queue data structure supports two main operations. That is the enqueue, which adds elements to the rear or the tail of the collection. And another operation is the dequeue, that removes the element from the front or the head of the collection. Now, we have other methods that are used in circular queues, but they are not the major operations. Those include isFull. isFull is used to check if the queue is full. Another method that is used in circular queues is the empty method. Now, the empty method checks if the queue is empty. Another method that we are going to look into is the pick method. Now, the pick method gets the value of the element at the front of the queue without removing it. So, it is used to show, rather to determine or to tell the element that is in the front of the queue, but it has no effect to the value of the element. Now, another method, is the size. Now, the size method gets the number of elements in the queue. So, the size method is used to give, or rather to determine the size of the elements in the queue. And our last method that we are going to look in is the print method. Now, the print method is used to visualize the elements in the queue. It is used to log, or rather to display the number of elements that are in the queue, either after you enqueue or dequeue the elements. Now, with that said, let us jump into our implementation, and we'll check that in our next episode of our series. I hope to see you in the next episode, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so.